This conference will now be recorded.
Hey, hi everyone. I hope you're able to see my screen. Can you please confirm, guys?
Not yet.
No,
No. How come, guys? How come? Yes. Now you should be able to see because now I shared it.
yes, now I can see.
Okay, right. Okay. Where what we were discussing team yesterday? Last. What was the last one? Last point I was telling. Did you remember?
You added
What was that?
member in PDS. You added
Okay.
member in
Yeah.
the PDS.
Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Got it. Thanks. Yeah. Right. Okay. Let me continue from there only. Okay, because I just introduced you that we'll see different ways of creating the member. So log on Venkat B, enter the password, type ISPF. Yeah. So how we can create a member team? Key edit within the bracket. We can give the member name. Okay. If it is if it is a new one, we have to go. If the data set is a new data set, okay, if you have any new data set, we have to go only this approach. If it is a new data set, if there is no member in that earlier, then this is the approach. Enter, enter. So here you type reset. The line comments remain the same, like TSO, ISPF, JCL, VSAM, COBOL program, JCL stands job control language. Okay, so we can use JCL to compile the programs. Okay, and we can use JCL to copy the data from one file to another. Right, like this. Okay, like this we can write the code, JCLs, programs, everything, data. So press F3. Now I want to know what are the members I created in this. Type E, hit the enter. Type E, hit the enter, you can see it. How many members are present? Two members. So there is a third another approach, S space M3. Yes, save member 3. If it is already is there, it is going to open. It is going to open S space. If they give the existing member name, it is going to open it in edit mode. If you I'll press F3. If I write new member name, it is going to create. Enter, reset, say okay, I'll write DB2 is IBM product, DB2 is relational database. Save it. Okay, press F3 to go back to the previous screen. Yeah, here. Refresh. How many members are there? Three members. Okay. This is how we can create the members. There is other approach. Okay. I am opening a member. Okay. Let's go here. M2. Open a member M2. I want to create a member with these three lines. So I want to create one member in that member. I want to copy these three lines. So we can do so create. Okay, create CCCC or AA dot A dot B. So create the member, create a member called M4 dot A dot B. You can see that the member got created. What I did it, create M4, we are creating a member. While creating a member, we are copying. This is called label. What is that? Label, label. Okay, it is a label. So whatever the data is there between dot A dot B, that content is going to copy in M4. Let's go there. I'll press F3 and refresh it. You can use refresh to see the all the members and M4 and the size, how many number of lines are there, two members are there, three records are there, that we can see. Edit, that you can see. This is the third way of creating. One is while you are opening a PDS, you can give E within the bracket the member name, S space the member name, and third one is this is the one. Okay, team. So total four members are there. I'm going to create a one more member. You can see X system. Okay, when you see X system, now it gone. M5 reset. Hello. Save it. So I guess I have given directory block only one. 1 into 6, 5 members you can create. We created 5 members. I am creating one more member. It got opened. I'll try to save it. See that? No space in directory. What does mean? It is all about directory block. It's not about primary, secondary, quantity, physical space. It is all about how many members you can create maximum. We can create only 3 members, 5 members, but we are trying to create a sixth one. We got an error. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay. So then what we can do? We have to create another PDS and create the new members over there. That is the one you can do it. Okay. So that is all about over there. So now I'll explain. Okay, here we are in the member of the PDS. I will give a slash. So to know what we can do. So I'll explain now opening modes. Okay. Now I'll use. Okay. Let me explain something else. First, okay, team. I will take a PS2 and 3. Okay, for our discussion, PS2, PS3. I am opening a member. I am opening a PS. This one. PS2 is an empty one. Okay, and I will go to PS3. Yeah. So I want to cut. Cut is nothing but copy. I want to copy all the rows from this file, and I want to paste in multiple files or specific file. Okay. So in that case, I'm repeating the requirement. I want to copy all the lines from this file to different files. How I can do it? Cut. cut is nothing but in this context copy only. It is not a real cut. So cut total 11 7 lines got copied. Now I want to paste that content in a PS2. I want to copy whatever I copied. I want to paste it here. Open the okay file, type reset, paste it. There is no content in this sequential file. Hence, you can simply straight away you can type a paste command. Enter, type paste, hit the enter. Okay. So can I copy somewhere else? Yeah. Go to PS5 and now I paste it, but it doesn't work because it has a content in this file file. Already it has a content. So now on which way or after which line you want to copy the data? After which line you want to copy the data? So that we need to mention. So I want to copy after ASPF, give A. So when there is a data, you have used paste after or paste before. You can see the data got copied. Is it clear?
Venkat, can you please repeat this?
So if I say paste, it doesn't work because there is a data. After which line you want to paste the data? Boss, already it has some data. After which row you want to paste? I want to paste as a first after before first row. I can give A. A stands after. Paste after. So here the data is got copied. Okay, we've seen copy after copy before, right? Same way.
Same also we can do the last row also, right?
Yeah, yeah. Wherever you want to use after before you can type it any particular row.
Okay.
Okay, is it clear? Now, so this is you can paste this data anywhere. I am going to member of the PDS now. I am pasting here. So paste after I want to paste after last row. A just give A after and against the last row it got copied. So cut and paste. So we are copying all the rows. Okay. But now I'll explain different scenario. Now I'll say 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, and insert A, B, C, D, E. Now, if I write a cut, it is going to copy all the rows. But I don't want to do all the rows copy. I want to copy only this data, only numbers. So CC and CC from where to where you can make it a block and copy it. So only this specific data we are going to copy it. So now 9 lines got copied. Where you want to paste it? Same as existing one only. So I want to paste in the same PDS another member. So now hello is there. I want to paste before hello. I'll say B. B paste. I'll press F3, refresh, M1, paste it. Now there is no content at all. I can use a paste because it is going to start pasting from the first row. Okay. So we can copy the specific lines, block of data, or you can copy all the rows. Okay, we can do all of them. I'll press F3 and refresh. I'll press F3 and refresh it. So this is a way of copying and pasting the data. Now I'll explain opening modes, which is very important interview point of view. Opening modes. Okay, edit mode, browse mode, view mode. These are all edit, view, browse. So if I open the file in our member file or member dataset, PS file or member of the PDS in a B, you can only do read only. You cannot modify the data. You cannot edit the data. What you can do? Only you can read the data. Read only. Browse is nothing but read only. Now I'll press F3 and I'm opening in file in member in edit mode. So I'm adding hello India and just I'm pressing F3. I'm not using any save command. Just I'm pressing F3. It is saved and it came out of it. Okay. So if you press F3 after doing modification, it is going to save and it is going to exit. F3 is nothing but it is going to save and it is going to come out of it. That is the purpose of edit. Okay, edit means it will allow straight away changes. It is going to allow straight away changes. Then view. Let's talk about a view. So we cannot directly do the changes. We cannot save changes directly. You have to do indirectly. So I'll open a M4. Now sorry, I will open the member in a view mode. We open the date member in a view mode. Reset. I'm entering hello India. I'm trying to save it explicitly, or if you press F3 you will get error. You see that you are currently in a data view mode. Please enter to view the session. What they are saying, please enter button to go back to the view session, or if you want to save the changes, within a view mode, use create command and replace command. So I'll press F3. First of all I have to go there. Now you can see the warning message. Data changes cannot be saved in a view mode directly. So you can use create. Okay, you can use create command. So what I do, replace dot, replace dot a dot b. So I'll say all the rows, whatever the data is there, dot a dot b, in which member you want to replace. So in M4, whatever the data is there. Now, as a human, we know that the member which you opened and which we are working on, both are same. But system doesn't know, right? In M4, whatever it is there, it is going to delete old data and it is going to copy updated data. This one. So member M4 is replaced. So this is how we can save the changes. I'll press F3, enter, and I am opening M4. You see hello India. Hello India. So we use, in interview they will ask you how we can save the changes in a view mode using replace command. Replace dot a dot b, it is a label. We need to create a label and M4. So M4,
Venkat,
if I
here can we use vsave command? Vsave.
no, it doesn't work. VSAVE is a customized command created by your company, your client in your project. It is not applicable everywhere. because it is a customized, it is created by your seniors, okay, your clients, okay, who worked before you. They created some automation tools, shortcut commands. One of them is view, view mode, something, whatever you call, we save or whatever it is. So using REXX we can achieve that.
Okay.
Okay, so this is all about replace. If I give m1 member data will be deleted. Okay, portable replace, yeah. First of all I give dot a dot b. Instead of dot a dot b you can give some character. So now if you go m1, the old data will be deleted, so this data will be added. Okay, so this is all about replace. So in a view
So
mode, yeah.
if you don't give dot A dot B, what will happen? Everything will be replaced, right?
Let me try. Replace m4. Okay, it's showing replace m pending. I guess you
I
need to
think
mention.
no. I think there is something called ZF dot ZL, REPL dot ZL,
Yeah, yeah.
REPLs,
That
REPL.
can be done. Yeah, yeah, correct. Replace dot ZF. If I was, yeah, correct, correct. Yeah. So instead of labeling team, we can use .zf.zl. Means .zf is a predefined label. It indicates the from first line. .zl indicates till last line. Okay, rather than, since it is a 4 lines, we can write .a.b. If there are 10,000 lines are there, it might be difficult, right? So we can use predefined label. So okay, and this is also one. Is it clear?
So you opened M1 module, but you are replaced M4. That means M4 is changed, right?
Yeah, that is changed. Yeah. Okay, right. So this is all about how we can do it. Now, if I go with the PS file, so we have another command team. Create .zf.zl. I will give Venkat B dot B12 dot TSO dot PS7. So what does mean team? Do we have PS7 file? Uh, as per your understanding, no, right? We don't have any PS7 file. So PS7 file is going to create. But what about this file? You are saying that file is creating. Very good, nice. But what about attributes? So for PS2, what are the attributes are there? Same attributes, with the same attributes, this particular file also will be created. So enter. Can you see? Yeah, we are getting an error. Okay, allocate using attributes bus. The PS7 is not there. PS7 is not there. So you want to allocate same as that. I will give 1. 1 means we are creating a PS7 file, physical sequential file, same as PS2. Same as PS2. I will give 8 now. Enter. See if I select 1. Okay, if I select 1, one means allocate the using attributes of the PS2. What are the attributes are given while creating a PS2, with the same attributes PS8 also will be created. Hit the enter. So this is the way. Okay, so this is all about how we can, same rule is applicable. I modified something in this file. Okay, I converted into uppercase. Okay, so I'll convert it into uppercase, and it is, and I'm trying to save it. When I hit the enter, I'm getting an error that changes cannot be saved. Now what I do? Same. Create or replace .zf .zl, give that file name venkatb.b12.tso.ps2, replacing the same file, and press F3, enter. So now you can see the the data which we converted into the uppercase, that is there. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
The next one. Okay, so this is all about opening modes. Now there is a one assignment till which I did not give it to you. Assignment is not assignment basically. There is a video on swap list. Okay, F9. So there is a video on it. Go and watch this video from my YouTube channel. So I have given a video on it, like how we can open multiple screens, how we can go to from one screen to another screen, all the things explained in one video. I will share that video link also our email. Go through it and watch it. You come to the session with after watching only, because that is very important. You, if you in order to understand how I am navigating and all, you need to do this one. Okay, right. The next one, how we can copy the data from one file to another file. So let's say there are different ways we have seen, like create, replace, and all, right. So I can use CO. CO is the command we use to copy the data from PS to PS, or member of the PDS to PS, or PDS all members to another PDS. So CO copy, given CO against the PS file, against the sequential file, hit the enter, same error the one we got earlier. Where you want to copy? I want to copy to venkatb.b12.tso.ps3. Okay, so PS3 also is there. I'll say 1A. Now, so this file, now I'll press F8 little bit so that you'll understand. There is a sequential disposition mod. If this file, if already it is there and you mentioned a mod, it will append the data. So you're trying to copy from one file to the destination file, one destination file. If the destination file is there, and if you select a one mod, it will append the copying data to the end of the destination file. So in the destination file, all data will be there as it is. Below on that, the new file data will be copied. If you give a mod, if I give a 2, it is a replace. It will delete the old content from this file. It will delete the old content from the destination file. New data which you are trying to copy, that will be copied. Okay, is it clear? right? So I'm giving 2. Okay, if it is there, overwrite it, enter. So now ps1a, the file is not there. You see that specified data set does not exist. So we tried already 1, I will give it 2. 2 means I want to create a sequential file with a different attributes, and 2, enter. Now you can give the record length as per your wish. I will give 300 and 3000. Now your input file record length, okay, see in directory block is 0, but dataset name type is a PDS, so it is a conflicting. I have to remove it. Enter. Okay, so it is got copied. Though the input record length, output record length is not same, it got copied. If in the latest version of the mainframe, it will show warning that record length is different, so you might data will be truncated. That error might come. Okay, is it clear? So this is all about copy. Now, if I use move, move, PS2 we are moving. So where we are moving? Venkat B dot, like it's like a renaming only. PSO dot PS 2A. So 2A is not there, and 1. No, okay. I want to allocate a special attributes 2, and I will give like this. So now the data is copied from PS2 to 2A, and old data set will be deleted. Refresh, 2A is there. Okay, this is all about move. Copy is done, move is done. How we can delete the file? Just you type DEL, okay, DEL, delete, and enter. You will get a warning message. Boss, you want to delete it? Yeah, I want to delete. Hit the enter button. You can see entry. The file got deleted. I'm typing DEL, enter, and hit the enter one more time to delete it. To delete the file. Refresh. This is how we can delete a file. Now I will give slash so that we can see what options we are at to discuss. So edit we discussed today, view we discussed, browse we discussed, 4 is applicable for PDS, and delete we discussed, rename we discussed, 7 discussed, 8 is discussed, and 16, 17 is discussed. Okay, is it clear? Okay team, I hope you are clear now. So this is the way of copying team, and there is a other way. 3 utilities. Hit the enter. We can copy from here also. We can rename. So we can rename from here also. Select it to enter. Okay, R stands rename, and you want to rename which file? I want to rename whichever the file you want. Venkat B dot B12 dot PSO dot PS5, and hit the enter. There is not there catalog. 2A is there, right? 2A is there. Enter. So earlier file is, this is the 2A. You want to give some PS33, enter. Okay, we can rename the file like this. Or if you want to delete a file name, just to type D, hit the enter. D, give the dataset name in a single quotes, hit the enter. If you want to see the information about the file, just keep a blank, provide existing dataset name, hit the enter. You can see file information. Okay, team, is it clear? Similarly, this is all about rename and all from 3.2 option. So if you want to copy the data from 3.3, okay, from ISPF panel F3, I can give 3.3 also. 3.3, hit the enter, C. What do you want to copy? Venkat B dot B 12.tso dot ps33. Enter. Now where you want to paste it? So you are copying from this file where you want to paste it. So Venkat B 12.tso.ps44. I want to copy the data from PS33 to PS44. Hit the enter and PS444 is not existing. It is asking. So I will give 2. Hit the enter. So you want to allocate PS44 with this attributes you want to change it, you can change it. This is how we can copy the data from PS to PS. Same way, we can copy the data from PDS to PDS. So I'll explain a different approach. Now, I want to copy, let's see, PDS. CO, enter. You want to copy all the members, type S star. Copy S star, select all, star indicates all, and enter. So I will give Venkat B.B12.tso.pgems1, enter. pgems1 dataset is not existing. pgems1 dataset is not existing. I want to allocate with the different attributes. That is the reason I selected it 2. Enter, and I will give directory block F4, 4 into 624 minus 1. 23 members you can create. I am giving record length 30 only, and block size is 300, and dataset name type is PDS. Now you can see when I was doing PS file, it is not created a problem, but when I am doing a PDS, so you are copying data from this file with 100 record length. The destination is 30, so the data might truncate. You can see truncation can happen. So truncation can happen. If you hit the enter, it is going to work. So I guess even that is, if it is a larger, it might work. Okay, I don't know why this is. Yeah, it is working. Okay, fine. All the members got copied. So refresh one. So I will copy again. Copy. If you want to copy selective member, C C C. So if you want to copy only selective members, type C C C. Whatever the members, hit the enter and provide the destination dataset. B12.tso.pgems3. Enter. Give 2 to allocate a specific attributes and enter. Here also the attributes are different. Enter. Okay, it is copying all the members. Second member is copying. Okay, you can see. So when you see the PDS, members also will be there. You see that members also will be there. Okay, this is how we can copy it. S space star all the members, yeah, CCC specific members. This is how we can copy the data. Okay, team. Is it clear? Any queries?
Venkat,
Yeah.
means two files with different attributes are working fine, right? First
Yeah.
file was
It's like
100 bytes and another one is 30, right?
data will be truncated. Let's say if there are 100 characters in the one row, but it is going to
Hmm.
copy first 30 characters only to the destination file, not 70. Last 70 will be truncated.
Okay, okay, fine.
So that means while we are copying the one data set to another data set, the attributes should be same, right?
It
Otherwise,
can be
data will truncate.
no, yeah, it is happening, right? Copy is happening, but data may not be, you don't get as it is what is there in the source file because of the record length mismatch. But it will be copied at least how much it can accommodate.
So from destination, if it is like attributes is lesser than the means to destination, then that case data will not truncate, right?
Yes, you are correct. Data will be copied everything because your destination data set has the highest record length, it is going to work smoothly. Okay, team, that's all from my end for TS5 module. So, let me stop the recording for today.